On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram community guidelines problem. So first thing you wanna do, guys, open the Instagram, go to your profile, click here on edit profile, and then you have to change your name from here and also change your username and click OK. Now you go back, click on the three lines here in the top, open the settings, go to this help option, click on the first option, report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking, and now it will take you to this page. All what you want to do here is click on this gallery and send them a screenshot of the problem that you have. And here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working, and then click next. And after a few hours you will get an email that explaining if the problem is fixed on your email. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.